So, it's been about an hour, and this place is really, when I first got here, didn't see hide nor hair of anybody except those two boys that helped me unhitch, and now there's tractors, people working, another one over there, and that Jacob kid, well, he's not a kid, Jacob, that is the manager, whatever, of the TrailManor factory, manager of the TrailManor repair department or something. He did come by, and it's fine that I stay here tonight. It's interesting that every time somebody drives by, they look. I don't know, that maybe they're not used to having people come out here. I don't know. But Jacob was really nice, and then there was another guy that was with him that had two kids with him, cute kids. And I was saying hi to the kids. Hi, how are you? What's your name? Kind of stuff. And the other guy goes, they don't understand English. And I kind of looked at him, and he goes, they only know German, which is really cool. Anyway. So yeah, they're out here smoothing out roads. I don't know if you can see through the window or not. I guess they're smoothing out all the muddy tracks from when other trucks and stuff go through and mess up their roads. Anyway, that's what's going on. Well, I've got everything pretty much packed up, as you can see. The guys here at the TrailManor factory should be coming over pretty quick to get my TrailManor to work on it. Hi. Well, I left the TrailManor with them this morning. What great people. I mean, their place, I guarantee you, it is hard to find. I think I only found it because I apparently got lucky. Anyway, it's hard to find. Don't get discouraged if you come out here. Anyway, so yeah, I went to town. I filled up with gas, and I picked up a few groceries, and I went back out to the TrailManor place and took those pictures, and I'll get them uploaded. And I'll be back later. Bye. Oh, I have an air conditioner. Yay. I'm happy. All right, bye. Anyway, this big building back over here is jam-packed with TrailManors that they're in the process of building. There's the frames right there. Yeah, I'm shocked at how big this place is. Alright, I'm gonna go get parked and see if I can go get some more pictures. TrailManor factory. Got my air conditioning. And I'm headed to a campground for the night. It has been a day.